made it to
New Zealand.
That's right, we're here. This is the very first steps outside. And you want to tell them what we're doing right now?
Well, we've made it through security and biosecurity.
That's right, they had to check our tent, make sure there was no bugs living in it.
We're getting ready to go hop on a super shuttle, which I think I see one right here.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Now we need to find the host for Airbnb and probably let her know we're on the way.
Oh, we made it here. So yeah. Alright, so now we gotta get all this stuff in the house. Alright, so we just made it inside the room. Where'd you go? We'll give you a little tour real quick. Bam! It's kitchen over here. Hey, what are you doing? Kitchen over here. Bedroom over here. Crazy place. The person who owns the place is actually going to give us a ride to get my motorcycle, the one that I'm renting. So she's going to drive us over there. I'm going to pick up the bike, probably come back here, and then figure out what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Crazy stuff going on. Oh, my battery's going to die. Alright, so we just got dropped off here at the bike shop. Check it out. This is the place. I think we are. Hey!
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
I think we're in the right spot.
You are in the right spot. Yeah, I'm actually this is your bike. I've actually just got it in, and the side stand was on a ridiculous angle. So I took it off and gave it a bit of a kink so that it won't fall over.
Good deal.
Awesome. Well, I'll fire it up and let it warm up real quick.
Yep.
All right.
Jeremy just got his bike here. We're at the pickup point.
Ready to roll.
Set my little foot pegs down.
All right, you hopping on? All right. See ya. Thank you. This is funny. I've never been on one of these bikes before. And here we are in another country, about to ride on the other side of the road. This was a documented first ride in New Zealand on a new bike I've never been on before. With a passenger. Kelly, how you doing back there?
Good.
I'm gonna wait for these people to go. Stay on the left, yeah. All right. And then it wants me to take a left up here. Okay. You doing good? All right. Okay, I think I'm gonna shut the GoPro off for now until we get probably parked at the place. So we'll see you then. What's up here? What's over here?
We can't remember which house is hers.
I parked the bike. Kelly got off back there because I made a wrong turn. Oh, there you are. And I made a wrong turn up a pretty steep driveway. But hey, we made it back in one piece. How was it?
We're here.
Look at this thing though. That's pretty sweet. I don't know what year it is, but it's an SV650. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty snappy too. We didn't even get out of third gear.
No, probably too late to pick up my bike.
Oh, probably, yeah. We'll have to pick up your bike tomorrow.
Huh?
We'll have to pick up your bike tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we'll have to.
And then we can go eat right now. Alright, so we decided we're going to get some food because we're starving. We don't know where we're going to go, but we're just going to go downtown, take the old SV650 for a rip, and see what we can do. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and pair our Cenas so we can actually talk to each other while we ride. Imagine that.
So then I can be a backseat driver.
Seems to be running a bit choppy, but it'll do. Okay, so I'm going to shut the GoPro off, and we'll see where we end up. Alright, so we survived another ride to the middle of the town or city here.
We're in Birkenhead.
Birkenhead.
Which is just north of Auckland, like north of their city center, across some kind of bridge. There's a little bit of water between us and downtown. But this looks like a swank neighborhood. I think we can probably find something to eat.
Yeah, that's our mission right now. Find something to eat. Look at this bike though. I gotta get a proper shot for you guys so you can check it out. Look at it. I'm gonna try not to get hit by a car here, but that's it. Looks pretty cool to me. It rides a little different than my KLR, I'll tell you that much, but it's fun. All right, so where do you want to go? What do you want to tackle first?
There's Curry Master.
Curry Master.
Here we have the Birkenhead Brewing Company.
Birkenhead Brewing.
There's the Italian restaurant.
Oh.
Maybe we'll just do a loop and walk.
You want to do a loop?
Figure it out.
All right, let's do a loop.
I promise you, it's the best food you ever had.
That's the life.
That's the life.
There we go. Like,
Where do you come from?
we come from the States. I'm from Vermont. She's from Kentucky.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah. Thank you.
What is your name?
Willem. Willem.
Willem.
Yeah, it's a typical Dutch name. Yeah, so it's in the Dutch version of William.
Where?
Bill.
Where
I'm
are you
from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but you have to look here. Now you have to look here, yeah? This is, we call it a bami schijf. This one is a noodle snack. A cassoufflé, so it's a spicy spring roll.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
I give you 2 extra because I want you to try this. Yeah?
Thank you. Nice meeting you again.
Okay.
If you guys are ever here in Birkenhead, you guys gotta go see him. Willem. Willem at Dutch Delight. You gotta go see him. All right, let's start this bad boy up again. Want to have the headsets on? All right, well, the dude said don't really let it warm up, so we're gonna hop on. I'm not doing too bad at this whole left-hand driving thing. So far, so good. I like to rev this thing.
Plug in our destination, or we go with our
I didn't plug in our destination, but we're gonna try and remember it from memory. Your helmet keeps clanking. All right, I'm gonna shut the GoPro off until we get closer to the dealership. We're gonna pick up your bike. Okay, so it's around here somewhere. Looking for Cycle Spot. Cycle Spot. Looks like it should be right up here. Cycle Spot, we got it. Right here. Wow, we made it. Cool. Oh, that's it right there? Wow. This is your bike right here. Nice. All right, let me let you off. Okay, there you go. All right. This is your ride.
about it. Is she beautiful?
I'll take my helmet off. We'll get the handheld out, but look at that. This is what you're gonna be riding.
Next month.
Nice. I like it. This is a, what year is it? A 2004 BMW R1100 RT. That's what it is? Yeah, look at it.
Yes, how are you?
Alright, so Kelly and I have to go to some place called AA. I don't know how they do things around here, but we gotta go change ownership of the motorcycle. So we're gonna hop in somebody's vehicle, go down to this place called AA and do that. So we're waiting for a woman to come by in a car, pick us up, and then that's what's up.
My first motorcycle trip overseas. go tidy up a few details on getting our insurance, and we'll be on the road, and hopefully we can eat some lunch or dinner. Might be dinner at this point.
I'm starving.
Me too.
I'm really hungry. So now we gotta head back up to the office and just sign some papers.
Yep.
That's it.
I will be the proud owner of 2 BMWs currently.
That's right.
1 Harley and 1 little Indian dirt bike. Cool.
That is really, really awesome. So this is your first piece of fan mail.
First fan mail in New Zealand.
A book. Couple books.
Great Escapes, motorcycle touring in New Zealand. That'll come in handy. What else do we have? Eyewitness travel, New Zealand.
Nice.
Good deal. So now we're all set on guidebooks.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This was from a man named Heath.
This is Heath. Yeah.
Shout out to Heath for the awesome books.
I think he's somewhere near Christchurch, so we might go visit Heath.
Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, so that's it.
That's
We're
it.
good to go.
We grab the keys and find some place to eat. Been a couple weeks since I've driven a bike.
All right. GPS is good. We got everything. Let me fire this thing up. Fires right up. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing around. All right. Here we go for your first ride. Okay, ready? Okay, we're good this way. All right. After this car, yeah, let's do it. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Here we go. All right, we're off. We've made it away from the city. Now we're in the land of cows. And we're on the interstate for a while. And we're trying to take a more scenic route, stay away from the toll roads and all that stuff. But we found this nice countryside. This road is pretty amazing, all kinds of twists and turns. And yeah. All right, well, we just made record time going into that grocery store. They were shutting the door. They let us go in. We took maybe 2 minutes, and we were out the door, and they shut the gate. And then we went over to McDonald's and got some ice. It's a moto travel top tip. Go get ice at McDonald's. Throw it in to keep your creamer cold. And now we're gonna buzz down some more miles and reach the top to go see that lighthouse. The mission of the day. How you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good, yeah, all right. I'll get my headset on, we'll rip. Okay, I'm recording. Nice. All right, so we're about 40 kilometers from the very tippy top of New Zealand. We're kind of riding somewhat along the ocean right now, which is pretty amazing. But look at this. Look at this landscape. It's amazing out here. And these roads are curvy. It's like a motorcyclist playground out here. And there's some sheep. Alright, just above this hill is the end of the line, I believe. Well, look at that. Look at the ocean over there. We made it. Let's go see what this place is all about. I wish I could have filmed. I wish you guys could have experienced riding up here yourselves, because it really was amazing. All these twists and turns and riding along the ocean is incredible. This is crazy. All right, time to go find the camping spot for the night. Rock and roll. Okay, so you want to camp here? We made it. Yeah, that hill that we came down is going to be quite challenging with our road tires in the morning, but until then, you know.
Don't worry about that right now.
Yeah, we won't worry about that. We'll make it one way or the other.
Definitely camp up here where we can hear the ocean.
You want to camp up here? Right directly by the ocean.
Yes, and I'm gonna put my toes in this water over here just a little bit.
I think right here might be a perfect spot.
Right here.
Right here?
Right.
Wanna do it?
Yep.
Okay. All right, check it out. We got our little tent set up right next to the water. Yeah, I put your helmet inside.
Okay, thank you.
So now it's time to eat.
Yeah.
We got a salad, and then we gotta do some like stir fry type deal. Something. Don't know. All right. So we had our green curry with salad. And now it's time to do dishes and go to sleep. We still don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll keep you updated. Here we go. Oh, see you in the morning.